Emin and his adventures.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel! Today we have a jungle experiment. And to make it, all we need is red sand, meaty fingers, green beads.
For grass, right?
Yeah. This type of fluffy sand and all the different sticky
Play-Dohs.
Yeah, and slime.
Yes. So we're gonna have 3 sections, right?
Water place, grass place, and digging sand desert place.
Yes. So we're gonna have an ocean, we're gonna have a jungle, and we're gonna have a desert.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Emin, and this is gonna be the surface that we are going to be using.
Yeah.
Emin is gonna divide it into 3 parts.
Yep.
Let's do it. That way we would know which part it is. So 1/3 is going to be the ocean, 1/3 is going to be the desert, and the last part is going to be the jungle. Okay, which one do you want to start first? Is it going to be an ocean or a jungle or a desert?
Jungle.
Okay. And what color would be our jungle?
Green.
Yes.
And brown.
Yeah, true. But mostly green.
Because of this.
And we're going to put trees in them. We'll have little figures of trees.
Yeah.
Let's start with slime.
Yeah. But we're not making the ocean.
No, we're making the jungle first, right?
Yeah.
Is that what you said?
Which slime? This one or this one?
It doesn't matter. Which one do you want to
This one.
start? Okay.
Play-Doh.
So we have to put it all as...
Stretch it up.
Stretch it out.
Stretch it out.
Yeah, we can go like this. But we have to cover all the spaces. And it's okay if we have any openings, we can always fill those out with this kind of green color or the little sand that we have. Are you done with this?
Yeah.
Okay, now you can put the little greens, right here and fill the other parts.
Yep. Let's put some more right here.
Yes. You have to fill that out, the whole thing.
Yep. Guys, I want to show you something. Let's make it rain. Let's make it rain.
True. And then you can use this to put somewhere here or here.
Let's just put all the green parts here.
Okay. And then after we're done here, we're going to put all the animals that we have, depending where they live. But we got to put all of the 3 parts first, and then we're going to decide which of the animals and live where.
Tigers live in deserts and jungles.
All the empty spaces.
Do you think that's better? That's already good?
Oh, yeah. And then let's put some more here.
To fill it in.
Oh, I think this is turning out to be really, really cool.
Actually, I think all we needed was these green beads.
Yeah? Well, I didn't think we'll have enough of those. That's why we'll start it with the...
Play-Doh.
Yeah, let's go like this. Cool.
It's too much over the board.
A little bit more.
It's too much over the board.
It's okay. It's okay. Now, Emin can start with the other part.
The animals?
No, we're going to do either the ocean or the desert now.
Ocean.
Yes, let's do it.
So first we'll need this. Well, we don't have enough.
We'll see.
If we don't have enough, we can just use this for the ocean. It's also blue. Let's munch it and crunch it up.
Yes, and we have to make it very, very thin.
Flat.
Yeah, so it we cover all the surface.
And this is gonna
and
be.
let's start over here, I
This
guess.
is gonna be like a splash for the dolphins.
Because we have a blue little slime over here.
It's from the Dinosauric Amargosaurus Ice Age. If you want to know where this is, go ahead and
watch
check it out.
Watch our Smasher videos where we received that slime.
Even this. Even all of this.
Okay, so I am helping out Emin. Okay. Now go like this and try to flatten it out.
With this.
Are we getting there?
Yep.
Cool. I guess we don't necessarily have to fill everything up right here. We can always have our desert a little bit bigger, right? Okay, so Emin is gonna start with the desert.
Yeah.
And then I'm just gonna fill this part out.
If we don't have enough desert, we could always use this and this.
Absolutely.
And I might need some help with this.
Okay, just take smaller pieces.
Okay.
Take smaller pieces, and then kind of stretch them. Stretch them.
Okay. This is very good at stretching.
Yes. So, and put them.
Stretch. Put.
There we go.
As flat as a floor. Take a little piece out. Flatten it out. And as flat as a floor again. It's so
Oh, it's so cool.
It's so different to this. It's like we have 4 spaces.
Yeah.
And it's also a mess.
It's okay. I want to help a little bit to do it over here.
I guess we didn't need the red sand.
Yeah, we can add the red sand here and there just to be, for it to be cooler, right? I can go like this.
While you work on the red sand, I'm just going to add some more on top.
Okay, perfect.
Because that's what we're doing.
Okay, let me put some more here. And I guess some more here.
And some more here.
Yes.
Some more everywhere. Sprinkle it.
Okay.
Sprinkle it. Rain it. Rain it like Christmas. Snowballs like y'all.
Okay, a little bit here.
Sprinkle it. Rain. I kind of got on the jug.
Here, it's okay. It's okay. They can mix.
Sprinkle it, rain it, fluffy, fluffy, oot, oot, oot. We're done with the desert. Now the final last part.
Yes, I think we're gonna use a little bit more right here.
I did a lot already.
It's okay.
And some.
So are we good? You think we're good?
Yeah. Now
Okay.
for the final last part.
Yes, now we're gonna put, do you wanna make like a little hole here? So we can put that slime.
But if we make the hole like this, it's gonna look like the dolphins pop out from here.
No, right here. And stretch it out.
And stretch this in.
Yes. And we want to put a dolphin here, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Our plan was to make like a jumping dolphin, but this doesn't look like a jumping.
It's okay. We'll improvise. Huh?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to take these away real quick. And then we're going to start with our animals.
Now let's separate the animals depending where they live.
Let's do it. So we're going to have jungle animals. We're going to have desert animals. And we're going to have water animals.
So elephants live in the desert and in the jungle.
Okay. Elephants
live in the jungle.
Okay, so put it aside.
Over here's the jungle.
Yes. Let me take a look. Okay. Now next one.
Tree lives in the jungle.
Yes.
Gorilla lives in the desert.
In the jungle.
Oh, the jungle.
Hmm.
The
Okay.
Brachiosaurus lives in the jungle.
Hmm.
Tiger lives in the desert, I think.
In the jungle.
Okay, in the jungle. Deer lives in the jungle. Giraffe lives in the desert.
In the jungle.
Every animal I play are living in the jungle, some sort of.
Yeah.
Tree
There are
lives.
not a lot of animals who live in the desert.
Tree lives in the jungle. Velociraptor lives in the jungle. T-Rex lives in the jungle. Crocodile lives in. Most of the. He lives in the ocean.
Yeah. We put them in the water. Well, this is going to be our water section.
Cheetahs live in the desert. Triceratops live in the jungle. Giraffes live in the jungle. Brachiosaurus live in the jungle. Trees live in the jungle, of course. Triceratops live in the jungle. There's not that much water. Ankylosaurus, jungle. Cheetah, bear, kind of. I think desert.
Nope. Jungle.
Everything is in the jungle.
Yeah, because jungle is a very nice place to live.
Now we're gonna displace the animals.
Let's do it. I'm excited.
First we're starting with the desert.
It doesn't matter.
A desert.
Okay.
Zebra is gonna go right here, running away from the cheetah.
Okay.
Lion is gonna be right here, hunting for food, and camel is gonna be right here because he's super slow.
Cool. And I think we can even put one of the trees inside there.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's put.
No, not the jungle trees. We can put like this tree maybe.
Oh. Let me just connect it back. The koala actually lives in here, and it's super hard to get it on with it. It doesn't even slowly down.
Yeah, let's just. Okay, there we go.
Now, oh shit.
Let's do it.
Turtle is gonna go on safe land.
On the water.
Dolphin is gonna go right here. Bloopy!
Yay.
Should we put the flamingo like this?
Yeah. No, it's gonna stand up.
But how is it gonna stand up if it's swimming?
No, it's standing on the water because it's at the edge and there's not a lot of water there.
Oh.
So he's not deep in the water.
Heeple, boy. Alligator is gonna be hunting for the turtle, fighting with it.
Okay.
Oh, he's like, well.
Now our
Jump
last
it.
part.
Jump at it. I think I like tiger. Ooh, that's a good place. I think I like, let me think. Elephant.
Okay.
Right here. I like rhinoceros. I'm only picking the ones like that from the new thing.
New collection that we got.
Yeah, I'm only picking most of those. I pick deer next.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. And the fifth one is gonna be
Pick more. Pick 4 more.
4 more. 4 plus 4 is 8.
Yeah.
Octoblock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 8. Giraffe is gonna go here. Tree is gonna go here.
Yeah, giraffe is eating the leaves, huh?
Yeah. No, don't you dare. Don't you dare fall down again.
Oh no.
The tree's all.
Let me put
Everybody's
it.
falling down. Everyone's falling down.
Okay, I'm gonna go like this.
Fall party.
Oh no, don't fall. Okay, now he's not gonna fall this time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gurira. 7.
Okay, put all the trees. Let's put the trees.
7.
I'm gonna put one right here so it doesn't fall.
One right here so it doesn't fall.
Cool.
Okay, my octo block 1 is gonna be raptor. Octo block 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octo
Okay.
block.
Let's put, I think more dinosaurs. I think we need more dinosaurs. Because the one that we put, he's going to be very alone there.
Yeah.
He's going to be lonely.
Yeah.
So let's pick 2 more dinosaurs.
How about we pick his best friend, T-Bone?
Let's do it.
Yay, we're together, T-Bone. Another T-Bone. Buddies.
And now I think we can put this little tree where the desert is. Because desert is kind of empty.
How about the monkey?
We can put it right here.
But this looks like a desert tree, right?
Yeah. Look at that little monkey.
We could even put this tree in the desert. Uh-oh. This is taking... Let's put it like this.
Okay, do you think we're done?
And guys, we can even do this. This looks like a jungle tree and a water tree on the beach, like. So we can actually put this aside over here, right?
Yeah, that's totally right. If you want to put it there, you can. Okay, now if we're all finished, I'm just gonna go over like this so you guys can take a look at our desert first.
Next, the jungle.
Now the jungle and our
then-
jungle animals over here.
Yeah.
And now our ocean.
Yep.
There you go.
Okay, guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys like it. And I had so much fun testing out our experiment. Me too. The line said that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.